In today's video, you will see 3 natural teas that are good for the skin and self-esteem, contributing to your natural beauty. Teas are for many a comfort drink, especially during winter, right? Do you like drinking tea? Besides being comforting, they also contribute to good sleep, sore throats, colds, period cramps, relieve some gastrointestinal symptoms, etc. No matter what the occasion is, tea is always a good call. But did you know that some teas are good for your skin? See now 3 teas that are your skin's best friends. White tea. White tea is considered the purest tea of all, since its harvest happens while the leaves are still green. It is the biggest antioxidant in the tea world. It helps slow the skin aging process by increasing the balance of collagen and elastin in the body. White tea is made with 34 ounces of water and 2 tablespoons of the herb. Once the water starts boiling, turn off the heat and add the leaves. Close with a lid and let it sit for 5 minutes. Lastly, strain and serve. This tea is best consumed on the same day it is made, since it loses its properties after 24 hours. For better use of its characteristics, drink the tea daily. 2 cups are enough. Red Bush tea. With a red color and sweet flavor, its antioxidant power and high zinc levels benefit skin hydration and fill the face. Red Bush tea can be found in natural health stores. Use 0.35 ounces of the herb to 34 ounces of water. Bring the water to heat until it boils, then turn off the heat. Add the Red Bush and close with a lid for 10 minutes. Drink 3 cups a day. Hibiscus tea. Hibiscus tea is known for helping with weight loss, but did you know that it is also excellent for your appearance? Hibiscus has significant antioxidant levels, substances responsible for neutralizing the free radicals that cause cellular aging and harm your skin and health. Add a tablespoon of dry hibiscus to 34 ounces of hot water and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes, then strain. Keep the tea in a glass or ceramic container. Experts recommend drinking 1 or 2 cups, around 7 ounces each, of hibiscus tea a day. All teas mentioned are better and more beneficial when drunk warm, but you can still drink them at room temperature or even cold during the hot summer days. For that, try drinking them up to 6 hours after making. The best is always to drink them right after making to avoid losing their properties. Also, all these teas should not be sweetened with sugar or artificial sweeteners, since these ingredients interfere with their benefits. As with any healthy habit, the benefits of drinking tea are potentialized when combined with a wellness routine. Remember that, as with any excess, drinking too much tea can be harmful to your health. To avoid any side effects, respect the maximum amount recommended for each tea. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.